Well, it's never good news in the forest industry. This fire's been burning. Actually, that sawmill that got wrecked was one behind there a few weeks ago. Now this one, the Watkins Sawmill down in Ruskin, BC, has been burning since 8 this morning. Just a crying shame. Not good. This is a long-time mill, long-time lumber family around these parts. We used to sell them logs. They had a log buying division years back. Just saddest thing. So that mill that just got auctioned off was up for the green hopper. The chip bins are up there. So that one went down for financial reasons. This whole industry is in such a mess. So this doesn't help anybody. It's a sad day. I feel horrible for these people here. A lot of guys ain't going to work now. No idea what they'll do.